Probably 8 minutes.
8 minutes?
If it goes further, just keep going. I just wanted to give you an introduction what I'm going to talk about. This is the National Geography B competition retreat that we are going to have this Saturday at the USF Mechanical Department, and I am the coordinator there. And we are arranging the retreat. There are more than 25 students that are coming all over United States. So I'm going to give the introduction speech there.
Wow.
So I just wrote 10 minutes back that what I'm going to do, what I'm going to speak. Thank you. National Geography B competition. More than 125 years ago, the National Geography B Society started in Washington, D.C. And it was, I think, 25 years back, the Geography B competition started by them. And throughout these 25 years, there are so many children. They came out as a national champion, state champions. They've learned so much about geography, whatever under sun they've learned. And they, parents, they kept on encouraging the kids to learn more about geography. As part of the Geography B, there are 4 levels of competition. We start with the school B competition. Once they become a school champion, they have to go through what is called qualifying test. It consists of 70 questions, as you all taken so far already. And based on the qualification test, every state chooses 100 students to go for the state level competition. And this year for Florida, we are going to have a state level competition at Jacksonville on April 4th. And whoever becomes the state champion, ultimately they go to Washington, D.C. on the first week of May. So there are around 55 students compete to become a national champion. This year they have doubled the winning prize from $25,000 to $50,000. So, as part of the Tampa GOB volunteer group, the dedicated parent volunteers who take time on an every weekend basis to train more than 60 kids, we would like to welcome all of you for this retreat. First of all, I would like to mention 3 important people. I have already mentioned first one, all the dedicated parents who put so much hours on a weekly basis to prepare our kids for this National Geography B competition. And the second most important person I would like to mention is our beloved coach. His name is Coach Kumar Nandur. He is from Fort Myers, Florida. Even though he's not living in Tampa, but he commutes from Fort Myers to here almost every month or so, just to volunteer and help our kids and to coach towards becoming a championship, either at the state level or at the national level. He has been doing this coaching work for the past 15 years, even though by profession he is a speech pathologist in one of the Fort Myers County for 2 schools. But he got interested in geography, he started coaching. So far, in 2010, he coached Adit Murthy to become a national champion. He ultimately became a national champion in 2010. And in 2012, Maya Patel, she became a state champion, Florida state champion. And there were several state champions. They became champions because of his coaching. And last year, he coached India team for World Geography B competition at St. Petersburg, Russia. So they came to 3rd place. So all these achievements, it never just came just like that. He put so much hour on a daily basis. I would literally call him from geography term, he's our president. We are all ministers who just manage the classes. And the third group I would like to mention This Tampa GOB classes could not have been conducted or facilitated without one group of team. It's called Gurukulam of Tampa Bay. They conduct weekend classes for so many kids on SAT preparations, math, for elementary kids, reading, all sorts of subjects they do on a weekly basis. So we would like to recognize their dedication and the facility that they provided us. We are so much thankful for that. And again, we would like to recognize the USF Engineering Department for providing this beautiful conference facility for us for free of cost. And I would like to recognize Ajit Mujumdar. He is our assistant professor at the mechanical department who made this happen. He reserved well ahead of time and made this event possible here. And again, I would like to thank Dr. Kota Sekaram and Madhavi Sekaram, who are the coordinators of this Gurukulam of Tampa Bay. And as a coordinator, I am so proud of this team. I learned so much. Not only is it just geography. I learned about the class management, the time management, and the leadership. And I became a vivid learner almost on a daily basis. And again, on behalf of this Tampa GOB group, we wish you a good luck on your path to state championship. Thank you very much.